Who else is taking this?
Good evening from Disney's Animal Kingdom. I hope that you are having an amazing Thursday. Hopefully I'm going to help you make it even a little bit better. It is a beautiful night here in Walt Disney World. The weather is perfect. It's actually a little cool tonight, which is nice and especially welcome here when we're at Disney's Animal Kingdom. I'm actually coming here to meet some friends for dinner. Shocker. But I figured it was a perfect night at the perfect time of day. Sunset is my favorite time of day to go through any of the Disney parks. And I think Animal Kingdom, especially in the next few months, is even more beautiful at night. So Cassie, Keith, it's good to see you as well. Cindy Mochsteppen, nice to see you as well. Martin, my friend, always here. Always nice to see you. Nice and early for you too. Luke Lawson, what's going on, buddy? And everybody else who is joined who haven't seen you. Tony Capretta, Mike Beckerman, Mike the Boot Beckerman, Michael Nip. I actually, I didn't want to see the Pandora thing on Good Morning America. I want to see it with my own eyes first, so I don't want to be spoiled by anything that I see online or on TV. I'm going to be here May 20 whatever for a couple of days. Obviously I'll let you know as we get closer, but I'll be here covering the grand opening, and I will certainly be sharing it with you via live and some other stuff as well. So I just thought before I made my way over to dinner, I would take you with me as we wandered through Animal Kingdom a little bit. As I said, the lights literally just came on. The sun is not beating down, so it's not like Africa hot. Marty Raimondo is here. Matt is here. It is an absolutely perfect day. I would invite you to please, if you like this and think maybe your friends would like it, share this with them or in your favorite Facebook page or group, if that's kosher with them. But yeah, I'm going to turn the camera around. You don't want to see me, you want to see Animal Kingdom. You know what, we're going to veer off the main path here and go where most people never do. I'm going to take you down one of the little secret side pathways here. Oh no, this is not the one that I want to take you down. I mean, I'm going to take you to one of the other ones, because there are so many little winding pathways in this section, and even as you get farther up, that a lot of people don't go to. You can find your sort of little secluded spots. Let's wander a little. I have a little bit of time before dinner, so let's sort of wander and explore just a bit. I think so many people don't follow these little pathways because they're in such a rush to get to the safaris or get to an attraction or lunch. My friend Steve Williams, I see you're in here. I owe you a text in return. I'll answer you via text rather than trying to explain here. John Delancey, how you doing, buddy?
Let me just show you first. Oh, that would be for some reason when I think of it.
Keith, the weather is just perfect tonight. It is a beautiful evening to be at Animal Kingdom. The sun is setting, so it's not beating down on you. It was a warm day today, but the park is actually pretty cool tonight. It's not very crowded, which is even better. And like I said before, this is just my favorite time of day to be here. So let me ask you, when you come to Disney's Animal Kingdom, what's currently, it's probably going to change, what's your favorite thing to do when you come here? Like, what is the attractor for you to Animal Kingdom? Is it the safari? If it's a meal, that's perfectly fine. Actually, you know that I would probably like that answer even better. You know, what is your must-do thing here? What is your favorite thing to do that brings you to Animal Kingdom? And yes, I'm going to walk you over towards Pandora and see where construction is at this point. We're just literally just a few weeks away from the opening.
Usually fills up by the
you listen carefully, you can hear the sounds of some of the different animals and from Pandora in the background.
Not here. And tickets not put out in the lab. Not yet.
You guys gonna finish that that little bread service right there? I think we need to have like a mini bread service meet here at the Nomad Lounge one day. I say we just take over that table right there in the middle and do like a little mini meet and eat. Maybe one day I'll just show up here and say whoever can get here in the next hour, like the first 1, 2, 3, 4, first 10 people that are at the table, that's who joins me for bread service. It smells so good in here. Anybody been to Tiffin's yet? Has anybody tried Tiffin's yet? We're just going to peek inside for those of you who have never been here before to see what it looks like.
There's two. Thumb on, Troy. Maria's got you. Oh.
So I just met somebody in there who said he didn't get notifications, and I'm starting to hear that a lot, and I don't know why. I've heard that a few times over the last couple of weeks that some people, are you guys getting notifications when I go live on the page? If not, I have to see what's wrong, or maybe we have to double check your notification settings. But somebody came in, didn't want to be on camera, said he just ate there for the first time. He invited me to dessert, and I'm actually going there for dinner. Shh. And said it was amazing, which is awesome because I'm coming back here again on Saturday. So it's good to know that I'm going to have hopefully two amazing meals within just a couple of days. I have no idea what time it is, so if somebody could tell me what time it is. Nikki, you're getting, okay, so you guys are getting notifications. He might just not have his settings. You get notified all the time. All right, cool. As long as I know that they're working and there's not something wrong with them, that's good to know. So, but yeah, can somebody give me a time check? Because I have no idea, and I just want to make sure I don't get too far. 6:20. Oh, we got plenty of time. I got 17 minutes. Let's take a walk this way, and I'll show you a little bit more before I go to dinner. Let's go, Dana. You know what I'll do? I'll take you down one of the pathways that I like up here.
That's Lou.
Hey, it's David. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Happy birthday. 22, 23?
29.
29. Again?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. How are you?
I'm awesome. How bad could we possibly be? It's a beautiful night. Clouds are light. Dare I say it's even getting a little cool tonight? So, where are you guys from?
Ohio. Cleveland area.
So you're enjoying being in shorts in March?
Yeah, it's pretty cold at home.
I can imagine. But free agency starts, so if you're a Browns fan, there's hope again.
Go Bucks.
Yeah. Great seeing you. Happy birthday. Is he down there? Yeah, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Let's go down to one of my little pathways here. Oh man, what a nice night tonight. What an absolutely... Oh. That's closed off. Well, maybe they have some of the little pathways closed off today. So how many of you, when you come through here, take the time to go off the beaten path and go down some of these other little side trails? Because there's a lot. There's a lot on this side, the Discovery Island side, and there's also a bunch on the opposite side as well. And if you do go a little exploring, you can find some nice, quiet areas. Not a lot of people come back here. And you get this. I'm going to shut up and just let you listen. That little dot right there is the moon. M-O-O-N, that spells moon. If any of you guys have ever read The Stand by Stephen King. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the backside of water. right, so quickly tell me, be honest, how many of you have seen animals on the carved animals tonight on this side of the Tree of Life that you had never seen before? Because of all the times you've been here, you never actually made it down this pathway to this side of the tree, which is exactly the reason why I love this. If I could put like a little chair and a table, who am I kidding? If I could put like a couch right here with the waterfall and the shade and the animals, I could do this all night long, except when it's summertime at Animal Kingdom. So. I'm going to be saying this in about 5 minutes. I'm going to be out foraging. Where do I live? I live right there. You know, I said when I first started that this is my favorite time of night in any of the parks, especially Animal Kingdom, and I think that's one of the things I am most excited about for Pandora. Obviously the land and the dining and the attractions but I've said it before that how I think Animal Kingdom, especially Pandora, is going to be like two different parks. And again, I haven't seen anything. I specifically didn't watch anything from Good Morning America or The View or anything today. But I really think that you are going to have two very different experiences coming to this park during the day and coming to this park, specifically Pandora, at night. And I think if what I have heard is going to really occur in this land, I think it's going to be something really special. And I think something unlike we have ever seen before. And look, I said before, even if you don't like the Avatar movie per se, I think there's going to be a lot to love about Pandora. I cannot wait for the opening in May. Obviously, I'm going to be here for the opening. I'm going to bring it to you live. I think it's the 23rd to the 25th or 25th or whatever it is. As we get closer, we'll lock it up. But I'll be broadcasting live a lot as I'm here. So let me turn you around, give you one last look inside Animal Kingdom. I would take you to dinner, but there's not enough room at the table for all 100 plus of you. I guess they're all, they are done. The animals went to eat as well. It's their dinner time too. Let me say goodnight to everybody here. So, do you want to say hi? Hello! What is going on? This is Jeff. That is Sarah.
Right there.
We are hungry, and we are going to Tiffin's.
I can't wait.
You've been there before, right?
Once. Nope, never been.
Not this guy.
Sorry.
My first time. How are you? We're going to do some damage tonight at Tip. I mean, we're going to go and experience it so that we're not going to record anything.
No.
It's sort of a reconnaissance mission, as it were.
Yes.
And then eventually, maybe what I'll do is maybe I'll invite somebody to join me at Tiffin's for a live review. I walked through very quickly, and some guy raved about it.
Yeah.
He invited me to dessert, and I'm like, oh, I can't have my pudding if I don't have my meat. So, right, you guys are too young to... You get that reference? Nice. So, I am going to say goodnight. I have to put on my glasses because I can't see what anybody is saying. I will see you guys tomorrow night from about 4 to 6-ish, maybe 3 to 6, at Raglan Road. The pre-St. Is tomorrow St. Not St. Patrick's?
No.
This is a pre-St. Patrick's Day, St. Patrick's Day. So I'll be live, like I said, about 4 to 6. I'll tweet it out, or don't forget to turn on notifications. Thanks to all of you who are watching live tonight. I hope this brought a little bit of smiles to your Thursday night. Have a great night. I will see you tomorrow. Where is it? Quaharini? Hasta la vista? Whatever.
Aloha. Now put it over the wall.
Throw it over the wall.
Oh, and by the way, if you guys like this and want to share it out with after we're done, you could do that too. That's all good stuff. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. Fold them out.
And I didn't know that. Because they don't have fast pass anymore. Went to college.
Thank you.
Welcome. I'll just leave you with this.
Order that, and that.
Oh, come to Papa.
Oh.
It's dinner time. I gotta go. Bye.